Good evening everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. We wish all our viewers and readers a very happy new year on behalf of IT Voice team. In today's news, we will be covering news about Google Maps driver mode removal in 2024, X Twitter fails to block California's content moderation law, introduction of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, NASA's Curiosity rover captures Martian Day on Mount Sharp, importance of reading, writing and speaking in 2024 by OpenAI employee Microsoft to pay ex-CEO Steve Ballmer $1 billion annually, LG introduces AI assistant robot LG Smart Home AI agent and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Google Maps may phase out the driver mode feature based on core strings found in the recent version of the Google app. The removal is expected in February 2024, possibly indicating a shift toward AI-driven features with Google Assistant. Driving mode is crucial for users without Android Auto, offering navigation without weird connections in cars. Integration of Gemini into Maps might bring changes to the feature, impacting those who rely on it for navigation. The move towards Assistant may require users to rely more on voice commands, raising privacy concerns. Google has not officially confirmed the removal, and alternative plan for navigation feature are not disclosed. Next we have Elon Musk, X formerly Twitter, loses a legal battle against California's content moderation law. The law mandates social media companies to disclose content moderation practices semi-annually. US District Judge William Shub dismisses X claim of First Amendment violations, stating the law is justified. X faces challenges in content moderation reflected in a decline in monthly US ad revenue. The European Union is also investigating X over potential breaches of obligations under the Digital Services Act. X has not commented on the court decision, and its content moderation practices continue to be under scrutiny. Qualcomm introduced the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset in October. An official list of brands planning to launch flagship phones with the new chip was released. Motorola was notably absent from the official list of brands set to launch phones with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The brand has not confirmed its plans regarding the release of a phone featuring the new chipset. In 2023, Motorola released several phones for China and other markets. The release included the Razr 40, Razr 40 Ultra and the recently unveiled Moto G34 5G in China. Chan Jin, general manager of Lenovo China mobile phone business, shared plans for Motorola's product lineup in 2024 for China on Weibo. Moto Razr experienced significant success in China and globally in 2023. Recognizing expectations beyond the Razr lineup, details about upcoming products were disclosed. Acknowledgement of the anticipation for new Moto products and the understanding of the eagerness for continuous improvement and exciting innovations. NASA's Curiosity rover climbs Mount Sharp on Mars, capturing a 12-hour Martian day from dusk to dawn. Curiosity uses its HASCAMs to record snapshots, providing insights into Mars surface shadows and weather patterns. The HASCAMs, typically used for hazard identification, were utilized for recording dynamic Martian conditions. Videos were captured just before the Mars solar conjunction, offering a unique perspective. Noise and flashes in the video are attributed to factors like spacecraft heat and long exposure times. The captured data aims to enhance understanding of Mars weather through cloud and dust devil observations. OpenAI employee Logan Kilpatrick highlights reading, writing and speaking as crucial skills for 2024. Kilpatrick deems effective human communication more important than prompt engineering for future-proofing. He suggests these skills are essential in interacting not only with AGI but also with current human general intelligence. Kilpatrick's perspective emphasizes human communication over technical skills for success in the tech industry. Next up, we have Microsoft will reportedly pay ex-CEO Steve Ballmer nearly $1 billion annually in dividends. The increase in quarterly dividend payout to shareholders contributes to Ballmer's substantial earnings. Ballmer, the company's 30th employee, holds 333.2 million shares, translating to a 4% equity. The payout is independent of Microsoft's stock performance, providing a fixed amount. Ballmer must pay a 20% tax on his Microsoft dividends, reducing the net amount received. The payout is linked to Microsoft's practice of consistently increasing dividend payments since 2003. At last, LG unveils an AI assistant robot, LG's smart home AI agent designed to roam on two wheels. The robot employs advanced robotic AI and multi-modal technologies for navigation and interaction. Its unique two-lagged wheel design enables autonomous navigation and expressive movements. The multi-modal AI technology combines voice and image recognition with natural language processing. The robot functions as a moving hub connecting and controlling smart home appliances and IoT devices. It can collect real-time environmental data, serve as a pet monitor, and act as a security guard in the user's home. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।